How to send live snap without media upload. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application and tap on the camera section. Now click any random picture. You have clicked a very random black background picture. So simply what you need to do is tap on the sticker icon. So as you tap on sticker icon, you'll be able to see the different stickers, and here beside your QR over here, you can see the option of your gallery. So select on that and select any picture. So you can just select on it, you can crop it, you can design, position it wherever you'd want. And after doing that, now you can just tap on send to. Now you can also send it to yourself. So let me just see if we can send it to ourselves over here. So let me just search for it and then tap on send. And after you send it, you can just tap on it and it will be sent as the snap and not as a media upload. So you can just watch it, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.